In this video, I'm going to show you how to save your Pages file as a Word document or a docx file. It's real easy to do, but it's important to know that if you want to edit your documents, you still have to save it as a page file type rather than trying to open up your Word or your PDFs. It's a little bit different on Apple, but it's real easy to do once you get the hang of it. So let's say you have your document here, you're all settled to save it, but you want to save it as a Word document. So all you have to do is go up here to File at the top left, go down to where it says Export to, and choose Word. So there's a lot of options here, but all you have to do is make sure Word is selected, hit Save, and it's going to ask you where you want the file to go, what you want it to be named as, and you just hit Export. And then you see it here where it says test, it says docx. That is your Word document file, and it's going to open, and this is it. This is what you would do for your pages. You can export it, and I was mistaken. You can still edit your text here because of the type of file that it is. And there you have it. Hope you guys liked the video, and we'll see you next time.